Children, we are going to start next topic of chapter first. Name is reproduction through body parts. In the last video, I told you about parts of seed and seed dispersal. Now we will study reproduction through body parts. Some plants reproduce from body parts. They can reproduce from roots, stem and leaves. Reproduction from stem. Some plants like sugarcane, banana, grapes, rose, hibiscus and bougainvillea can grow from a method called stem cutting. In this method, a stem is taken from the mother plant and its lower end is buried in the moist soil. After a few days, the cutting develops root, new branches and grow into a new plant. Children, we know that except of seeds, some plants reproduce from many parts of body, like as stem, roots, and leaves. Some plants like sugarcane, banana, grapes, rose, hibiscus, and bougainvillea easily grow from stem. So this method is called stem cutting. In this types of method, we cut a piece of stem from mother plant and lower parts of this stem is buried in the moist soil. After some days, this cutting stem develops root, branch and leaves and form a new whole plant. Potato and ginger are underground modified stem. Have you ever observed potato and ginger stored in your kitchen? You must have noticed that small buds grow on potato and ginger. These buds are also called eyes. New plants grow from these buds. Any part of the potato that has buds on it can grow into a whole new plant. Children, you know that potato and ginger are underground modified stem. You will have seen potato and ginger stored in your kitchen. After some time, some buds are arise from potato and ginger. These buds are also known as eyes. A new plant can easily grow from these buds. So, a bud form a new plant. Onion and garlic are also underground modified stem. Onion and garlic are bulb-shaped stem encircled by scaly and fleshy leaves. The bud is in the center of the bulb. New plant grows from the bud. Some plants like strawberry, carpet, grass and water lettuce grow long stem that runs along the ground. This creeping stem is called runner. Roots grow from the buds on the runner. Children, onion and garlic are also underground modified stem. Onion and garlic are surrounded by scaly and fleshy leaves, and bulb is present in middle side. These bulbs form many new plants, and every bud grow and form a new plant. Children, some plants like strawberry, carpet grass and water lettuce have a long creeping stem. This creeping stem is also known as runner. Some roots arise from bud of this runner and form a new plant. Reproduction from leaves. Some plants reproduce from the edge of the leaves, for example, bryophyllum plantlets or young plants fall from the leaf on the soil and grow into separate plants. Children, some leaves of many plants have power of making new plants from the leaves. Example, bryophyllum. When the leaves of bryophyllum fall down on the ground, then these leaves form new plants. Now next heading is reproduction from root. The roots of some plants such as sweet potato and dahlia store food and are swollen. These parts of roots are called tubers. New plants grow from what's on tubers. Children, we know that some roots of many plants stored food and swollen. Example, sweet potato and dahlia. Such types of roots are also known as tubers. The roots of tubers form new plants. Now we can say that many parts of many plants make new plants.